This system can recognize temperature through checking human face. This system will remind the people of wearing mask. 2 placement ways, wall-mounted and turnstile. This system can be used in community, hotel, office building, school and other densely populated places. When the system recognizes people's temperature is normal, as this video shows, they can go through a 1-by-1. The temperature of this man with mask is normal, so it shows recognition success. The system is warning abnormal temperature when he put a bottle of water on his forehead.
Start. Temperature normal, unauthorized. Please wear your face mask. Please wear your face mask.